Welcome to the final lecture of this course. First, I want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart for choosing me as your teacher. Furthermore, by making it all the way to the end, you've managed to set yourself apart from the vast majority of people out there who set goals yet fail to follow through. For this feat, I applaud you. I hope this learning experience has brought you value and insight into the world of Photoshop. I've spent an enormous amount of time, energy and resources to make this the best possible learning experience, and even so, I'm sure I fell short in some parts. Please write your honest review and I'll do my best to improve my skills as a teacher and update this course if needed. Take a few moments and write your thoughts, as this makes a world of difference to me. I read every comment and I strive to get 5 stars from everybody, even though that's a tall order. This is why I actually create courses, to help people grow their skills in a fun and engaging way. With that being said, if you're wondering what you should do next, my advice is you specialise in a certain field. For me, that's web and app design. I love creating amazing projects, and that's why I've dedicated a couple of courses to this subject. For you, that may be something completely different, maybe image retouching, logo design, digital painting, and so on. What's important is you focus 100% on a certain field, become amazing at it, and then move forward. At least that's my approach. And with that, thank you yet again, and I'll see you soon.